Today I'm going to show you how to do a discussion on Canvas. This is the student's view. This is when you get into my course on Canvas, you will come down and click on Reading Discussion. We're going to go into Reading Discussion number 4. So you click on there. It's very important that you read the instructions that it has on there. So it says, your task this week is to read at least 4 nights a week and 20 minutes each time. At the end of the week, you need to write down the name of the book and the author. You then need to write a 5-sentence summary about what you read. Then you need to make a text-to-self connection in the book. You need to write at least 2 sentences about what the connection was and why you connected to it. Once you've written your post, respond to 2 other students' most posts appropriately. Then I put some questions on there to guide you. It says, was the text they've read interesting to you and why? What text-to-self connection did they make and can you relate why? And then it has the due date. So what you will do first is you will come down and you'll click on reply. Once you click on reply, it gives you a text box that you can type in. So you will start typing, and I would say this week I read The Mark of a Thief by Jennifer Nelson. And then I'll just write a quick summary. The main character is Nick. Then make sure I need to take out the spelling errors. He has been a slave all of his life. He is left alone as a slave with his sister. He works in the mines. He is sent down into a cave to look for a bulla that Caesar owned. My self-to-text connection is about a precious locket that I owned and lost when I never found it. Okay, so once you've got your summary done and you're ready to submit it, you come down and you click Post Reply. Okay, Post Reply. When you've done that, it's going to show you other responses that have already been made by students. And then you will read some of theirs and respond to what they've said. Make sure you respond appropriately with 2 sentences. And again, you'll click on Post Reply. And then just 2 of your peers. When you're done, you will then go on to the next discussion next week. Good luck. These are fun and easy to do.